So this is just a quick little video here, 2023 Junior Cert exam. So the design shows a coffee, the image shows the design of a coffee machine. Draw an elevation in the direction of arrow A. Project the plan from the elevation and draw an in view looking in the direction of arrow B. In elevation, colour or shade the surface which is a true shape. Okay, so first of all, the biggest thing we have to decide, guys, is arrow B is pointing to the right. It's pointing to the right. So that means my in view is going to be on the right hand side over here of my elevation. So my elevation and plant are over here. Okay, so I'm going to draw my XY line. And I'm going to start it in here. So on elevation, we're going to see all this surface here. Okay? So we're starting here and working back. So the first thing is the full length of it here. It's 110 millimeters. Show it over here as far as I can. 110 millimeters, the front to the back. So the back goes straight up here then, and the front goes up a small little bit there for that lip. Okay, so the height of this here in the front is 10 millimeters, and it travels back 25 millimeters, and it goes up to a height of 20. So it travels back here 25 millimeters. And you line up, and it goes up to a height of 20 then. So there's a little slope there on that front section there. So we can join those 2 points. Across as well. Then we have a flat bit here of 50 millimeters, so I can draw my flat bit here, 50 millimeters. Darken that in so we can see it. Okay. The back corner here goes up 45, then it goes up 30. So it goes up 45, then it goes up 30. And a radius 25, so that means it's going to go up another further 25. This piece here then comes straight up till we hit that semicircle, so that goes up to here. Line across there for that line. This is in line here where the angle parts are. Okay. We should have this line down here then as well, because that's cut off at an angle as well there. Okay? So that's the majority of the elevation there, actually all the elevation, so that's all our elevation done in there. Yeah? So for our plan then, we bring our line straight down. I'm going to keep a small bit of a distance there between my plan and my elevation, starting in like so. The width of it overall is 80, right? So I'm going to deal with it first as if it's a big block, so it's 80 first of all, okay? Now it comes in on those sides. This is where it starts to come in, so I can bring that down. Okay. And it comes in 15 each side. So 15 here, 15 here, and we can join those. Okay. Then I'm going to get here my my circular part up on top. So I'm going to draw a center line in this, which is 40. Just draw a center line here just to make things easier for me. It's a radius 25, okay? So it's a radius 25. So do you know what? We'll actually draw that in here when we get our in view up here, because we'll be more accurate. So we can just set that up just for now. We know there's going to be a dotted line along here. We can just set that up just for now. And we're going to go up now and we're going to start our end elevation. So in the elevation we have to draw an x1, y1 line. So that's my xy line there, and that's my x1, y1. So we bring the lines in our plan out till they hit our x1, y1, and then we bring them up at 45 degrees till they hit our xy line, and then we can just bring them straight up after that. Going across my lines here from my elevation. Across this line. Okay, they get joined, those points get joined up to there. So that's where our slope and bit there now is coming from. Bring this point across, and bring across this top point. So it goes straight up to hit this point. Straight up to hit that point. And then it comes into the same distance as these points here, so to there. Okay, I'm going to bring up my center point here now as well, I found in the plan. Bring him straight up, because that's going to give me the center there for the circular part. So it's the radius 25. There, so now we just need to bring that down to our plan, which we've already done down across. So that's our plan elevation and our in view there then completed. And it wants us in elevation colour or shade the surface which is a true shape, right? So which side we're actually seeing true. Okay, that's our true shape here. So let's sit over here just so you can see it, because we're looking directly at that, Alright, so that's at an angle to us, that's at an angle to us, that's curved, so it's curving away from us, so that's the only true shape there that we're seeing in that drawing.